Ask Daddy for help. Oh, yay! What do you tell Daddy?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What do you have? Reese, what is that?
Airplane.
What does an airplane do? Hey, Reese, who did you talk to on the phone today?
Nana.
You didn't talk to Nana. Who did you talk to?
Shauna.
Yeah, you talked to Shauna. Can I see it? What do you have?
I think we can do something different.
Santa. I want Santa.
Where's the...
I want to stand up there.
You wanted to stand up there?
Stand up. You beautiful.
It is beautiful.
Stand up. Look, Reese has a crane spot so I can look crazy.